What's happening, everybody? Back again on the scion. Try to get this sanded and painted, at least the door. If I have enough paint left over, we'll work on that door and fix that dent also. Trying to get excited about this. Painting is not my thing. I'd rather tear a motor apart than do that, but sometimes we got to do what we need to do. Let's get going. Alright, we're going to get working on this. Before I really start sanding and everything, I'm going to put tape along the edges, because I really don't need to sand into this paint that's still good. And we'll tape off in my trim pieces, if you had some. We'll get this taped off on the edges so I can sand. And we're going to put some music while I sand and speed it up so it's done in a flash. All right, we got the door sanded down, nice 220, sanded enough to get the clear coat off so the new paint will stick and hopefully turn out pretty good, since, you know, going to be spray bombing it, because that's the only paint I could find at the time to do this. It should last. It's just cheap cheap project. Just take your time and you'll be able to do it. So I'm going to go and just put a nice real light coat at first, get it to tack up, come back, put a nice second coat, full coverage on it. And then we're going to let it sit, I don't know, about 10 to 15 minutes, and then come back and do it again. That should be enough coats to match the color really close. Then after that sets and dries about 18 minutes, we'll come back and we'll put a clear coat on it. And that should make it as good as the factory paint that's on there now. And by all means, don't be afraid to try it yourself. What is it really going to hurt on an old car like this? It's not a show car. So it's really no big deal. For me, anyway. Here we go. When you do this, you just want nice, even direction. One way, move down, go another way, and do it again. Best way to put paint on. We'll let that tack up and then come back and hit it again. All right, we're back for round two here. Now I'm going to hit the edges first and then come back and lay the center, get it to even out best I can. Say that can's done before I spray a dry spot. I think we're looking good. No runs. Looks like good coverage. All right, I can live with that. Wait about another 15 to 18 minutes and then shoot it with clear. We'll be ready to go. All right, we let this set up now. Now time to spray some clear on it and let this dry. Never be afraid to lay the clear on thick. The thicker you get it the first time, the better it'll look. And if you do end up with a little bit of run on a clear coat, you can sand it, wet sand it a little bit and buff it out. All right, we're back again with it painted. course, it's a darker color, so it quite didn't match exactly. But I think it's better than the silver door. It's not sticking out so bad for her. Did what I could do for now. But with all the stuff I've done to this, I'm only looking at about $700, and that is fixing the engine, buying the hubcaps, 2 tires, paint work. I mean, doing this stuff yourself really could change the look of a vehicle little by little on the weekends. Just showing you what you young kids could do also. Buy these cars. Parts are still abundant for these things. Drive them. Have a good time. And thank you if you watched the video. Have a good one.